Every day, Max comes home through the back. There he is. Can you see him? He's... Oops, I can't. Right there. Use my finger. Oh, I just want to remember this moment. Max coming home from school. Oh, look, and there's Moose waiting for him. Moose goes to school and comes back with him every single day. Aww. Very funny. And he's gonna be coming through the door. Hi, Max.
Hey.
How was your day?
Good.
And that's Max's walk from school.
Okay.
You look cold with your ski mask on.
Why not?
Welcome home. Love you.
Okay, love you too.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.